Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house where you're always welcome. Today we are making Memaw's spicy chili. Since it is fall and it's cool outside, it is chili time. So let's get our ingredients together and get to cooking. The recipe will be in the description box, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So I'm going to put on some music, sit back, enjoy, relax, and watch me cook. First, let's chop up all of our veggies. Now these are a couple of jalapeños that I grew in my garden this year. I had a good harvest, so I'm going to use them today. Okay, so the veggies are all chopped, and now we'll get our meat prepared. I'm using two types of meat, a sweet Italian sausage, which is what this is, that I have to take the sheets off the links, and a hamburger, a ground chuck. these meats, but I'm going to do them in separate pans because my daughter does not eat pork, so I am going to make her a little separate pot of chili with the ground chuck in it. This ground pork will not go into her chili. Just before the ground beef gets fully cooked, I'm going to add the peppers, onions, and jalapeños with the garlic so that the onions and the vegetables can sweat down and the meat can continue to cook. Now that everything is just about done, I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt. Now it's time to switch pans to a big Dutch oven so that I can add all the rest of the ingredients. In addition to the cans of tomato sauce, I'm going to add my final quart of vegetable soup base. If you don't have anything like vegetable soup base, you can always add canned tomatoes. Okay, so let's add the seasonings. Now once I have this mixed in well, I'm going to add some beans that I have cooked already. If you don't care about cooking beans, go ahead and use some canned beans. I always rinse my canned beans off. Don't think Memaw don't use canned beans. I just happen to have some dried beans that I went ahead and cooked, being Susie homemaker. So there you are. Now I'm going to separate out some for my daughter who is not going to eat the pork version. So I'm separating her some out for her dinner. So you know I'm going to have to taste this so that I can make sure that my seasonings are all together. And of course, you know what I need? A pinch of sugar. So I'm going to add just a little bit of sugar to take the bite off that tomato paste or tomato base. And it's going to be good. Okay, so let's add the sausage now. So now with a new spoon, I'm going to let Peepaw taste because he is the chili connoisseur in the house. So needed some more chili powder, apparently. And I'm also adding a can of kidney beans. Now I'm going to add one of my red jalapeños out of my garden to just let that heat seep through and cook in as the chili cooks down. Let the chili simmer for about a half hour or so, just so that it can thicken up and become chili. Now it's time to serve it. I'm serving it with a Kaiser roll and some fried apples. We didn't want cornbread this time. So I have made some chili today, and we're going to taste the chili. And I made some fried apples. That's over on a short somewhere, so go ahead and look at that. But I thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to taste my chili right now. Yes. Got a little heat. Hit right back here. And it's just perfect for a cool fall day. Y'all be blessed. Bye.